Well, welcome back, viewers. Just a bit of a different vlog. This is one of my friends we know in Tenerife. I used to set up Excursions a few years ago, called Ian, and basically he set up all Excursions Tenerife. Now we'll just pan you around and we'll just so you know where the shop is and if you need to book any excursions. Now you can see these are just some of the excursions he does: paragliding, tandem, Loro Parque. You've got extreme jet skis. I'm actually going to go into Ian's shop and he can tell you a bit more on what he does. So we'll just go in the shop and find Ian in a minute, and you can see what he does there. The freebird catamaran. There's all excursions, island excursions. This is Ian just putting his boards out now for the day. What we're going to do, we'll follow him in. I follow him into his shop, and he's, like he says, it's going to be a busy one. We'll take you along into the shop here, and he tells us a bit about what you're doing for people.
No problem. Obviously, this is the shop, all Excursions Tenerife.
Yeah, just pan you around so you can see exactly the location of Ian's shop. It's just, you drove past Salsun Beach, turn left where the sports bar is, just past the sports bar, and there we go, Ian's shop with all Excursions Tenerife. You can hire your scooters.
Hello guys, good morning, welcome to All Excursions. Come on in.
Fire away, Ian. Tell us a bit about what you do and what you can offer people.
Basically, we've been in here a long time. I have two shops, one's here, one's by the Colonial, as you know. Yep. One's run by Tony, this one's run by me, but I own them both. Yep. We offer every excursion there is. Basically, the basics are Siam Park, the Loro Park, Aqualand, Jungle Park. We do about 29 different whaling Dolphin safari boat trips. We have 9 jet ski companies, mostly from Port Cologne, but some actually go from further towards the airport. We have quads, buggies, parascending from the back of the boat, paragliding off the mountains. We do car hire, we do boat parties for the younger ones who want to go out on the boat parties. I'm just looking around.
Just looking around the wall of the shop.
We've got helicopters.
There's loads on the walls.
If anyone's gone on a tour of the island, we only use island excursions. I've been working with them for over 20 years. They can take you a trip anywhere around the island, plus we do daily trips to La Gomera as well, if people want to go to the other island, La Gomera. Really good company, always on time, air-conditioned coaches, really enthusiastic guides that take you on the trips and everything. As I said, car hire, evening shows, we do the MHT, which is the comedy drag show, which is for families. It's not rude, it's just a normal show. I rent the mobility scooters, I rent mobility singles, doubles, I rent stand-up scooters, patinettes are called in Spanish. I mean, everything you want, we do every excursion.
Generally, it's if you want an excursion booking, definitely come around to the shop, see Ian. He's here on a daily basis. What are your hours, Ian? What are you here when people come to see you?
My hours are from 10 till 6.
So you can book an excursion any time between 10 and 6 with Ian directly. And
if I'm not in work, the phone number's always on the door, or I've got business cards which you can maybe just take a quick.
Yep.
That's the business card. If you see down the bottom, that's my WhatsApp number, which is actually for this phone, which is with me 24/7. The only time I won't answer is if the batteries run out or I'm driving, obviously. But
no
if people can't get hold of me during the day, but they want to book something or information, then contact me. Plus, then we also have the Facebook page, which is All Excursions Tenerife.
What we'll do on this vlog, I'll put the WhatsApp details in the description, and also the Facebook link to the Facebook page. So if you click on it, it'll take you straight to Ian's excursion business.
Perfect.
Right, thanks for your time, Ian.
Thanks very much.
Speak to you soon.
Appreciate the efforts.
Thanks for watching. Cheers, Ian. Speak to you soon.
Yes.
Cheers soon.
I'm going to come and get a coffee.
No probs. Right, viewers, that's Ian's excursion shop. We've booked a few excursions with him, and they've been very good. Oh, no qualms, no issues. Says what it is on the tin, and the good days out. Now, just going to go back into a sports bar now and get a Coke. Thanks for watching, viewers. See you in the next one.